Country Vines. Ooh, wow. It's pretty.
You can do it by the glass?
Yeah, we have a few things that provide a glass of fruity, like a rosé.
Okay.
We have a sweeter red, a sweeter rosé, and 2 dry reds as well. This one is very sweet, almost like you would mix it with a sangria.
What's the one that's more like a Shiraz?
I would do this.
Alright, done.
Okay, so one of those and a rosé.
Yes, please.
Okay, would you like the sparkling rosé or the glass?
One
Sparkling.
Sparkling. Yes, it is.
So nice. Pretty. How's your wine? It's good.
I have no idea I'm drinking. Some bold red of some sort.
Let's see how this tastes like.
What do you think? Oh, wow.
Yeah. We have a band playing.
It's almost like it seems like diverts.
Nice. We finally made it here.
Finally. There we go.
Okay. Cheers.
Super easy.
Yeah.
Sounds good with
Nice.
barbecue, pizza,
Just
different nuts.
okay.
Lots of notes of a sweet spice, like cinnamon, nutmeg, some melon in there.
Okay. And what grapes are in here?
So the grape is Schonburger.
Oh, that is the actual varietal.
It's a German grape.
Oh.
So we grow actually a Schonburger out in the back.
Okay.
It's a German style grape, so it thrives in colder climates, which is why you won't find it in the Okanagan as much.
Oh, okay.
So you can take these and pour them into your cup.
To
It surprises
Okanagan.
a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's pretty.
I think the only other one we've done is that Lulu one up there.
Lulu Island. Yeah. Oh.
So this is our Riesling, so it's on the sweeter side. This is actually the winemaker's mom in the 70s.
That's nice.
It is an ode to her. She loves the sweet Riesling.
Nice.
And they own a restaurant and a golf course just across the way.
Oh, on Sitaway.
Yeah, they're Country Meadows.
Yeah, I've ridden past it 100 times.
And then they own Savage Creek Golf Course as well.
Oh, wow.
I believe it's on number 6 road.
Okay.
Oh.
For a red wine,
Okay. Oh, there you go.
you're gonna get notes of cherry,
Okay, and this is which Suzie Q?
chocolate.
Suzie Q.
It's
All
gonna,
right,
it's
we'll
gonna
zoom in
start
on.
dry. It'll go a
Suzie
little
Q there.
sour, and then it'll finish smooth.
And your tasting notes.
For a while, you've heard
Mmm.
this, like dark chocolate.
Lots of notes of lychee in there as well.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Give it a try.
Cheers, my dear.
winemaker made it for people who weren't big fans of red wine. It's kind of a gateway red.
Gateway accessible red.
Accessible red. So you just can try that if you
Pursuit?
Hot Pursuit.
Oh, gee.
I like
How
the
old is the
names.
38.
38. Wow.
No, I thought that was a 70s TV reference. That's a little early for them. Challenger, isn't it? Or Charger?
Charger.
I don't know. It's fast.
It's fast. It's Merlot and Syrah.
Okay. Hello, Aunt.
I know, they love it.
I
like
love
the wine,
the
eh?
sweet
They
wine.
like the wine.
There you go. Well, hey. Why not?
That's the one you had, yeah?
That's the one I had.
We're at IKEA. Checking out their stuff. Too busy.
Exotic foods.
Exotic food from Sweden. Sweden. Sweden.
Smoked fish eggs.
Nice. Lingonberry jam. Let's get our cheap stuff. And this is our ideal kitchen. Just need a pot filler there. It's a cute kitchen. Look at that, this farm sink. And then this one with the lacy Suzie, and you just so you don't have to reach in the back, you can just pull this. Wow. Yeah, oh my god, look at this. Oh, look at the shower and the vanity. 2 sinks. Wow, that's pretty. And then this closet. It's your mirror and dresser here. Wow. There. Oh, pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna try and transfer these flowers, these dahlias, these beautiful dahlias, into this container. It's a little too goth looking with the black container there, so I'm gonna transfer it to a much nicer container. And to do that, I'm going to use Scotch tape to coordinate the grid so that the flower can stand upright on this container, because this one is a little wider, like the top of it. So I'm gonna help it with the Scotch tape. Cut that off. And we're going to crisscross it. Yeah. So it looks like a pie. There you go. So we're going to try and transfer this into here. Let's see if we can do that. Maybe I'll put it here. put this in the middle. So I already have water inside the container. So it's easier. There we go. That one's tend to be leaning a bit, so I'm gonna try and move that over. So far it's holding. Just gonna turn this a bit. This one is trying to bend, so I'm gonna put it there. There, that's much better. And then put this here. I'm gonna move this here so you can see it a bit closer. There we go. So the last flower, I'm gonna put it in here like that. So you can see there's some space there. So I'm gonna put it facing this way probably. Oops. Oh, it's starting to fall. Maybe move it over. There we go. Yeah, for sure. Is it facing that way? Maybe move this over. There. All right, so that's a little better. Just gonna hide that by turning it this way. See if this can lift there. There. So that's much better, right? With a nicer container. There you go. It's pretty. Yeah, so it's much better and it's more visible if you put it in a nicer pot like this versus this one, which is too dark. There you go. Yep, there's our little DIY.